Today we are going to see experiment number 8, that is magnetic lines of forces of magnet. The physical significance of this experiment is magnetism plays an important role in electrical and electronic engineering because without magnet the components such as relays, inductors, chokes, coils, loudspeakers, motors, generators, transformers and electricity meters could not work. So friends, we need magnet for such electrical components. The practical learning outcomes of this experiment is use magnetic compass to draw the magnetic lines of force of magnets of different shapes. Magnet, let's see the definition of magnet: the substance that possesses the property of attracting irons, such as these are known as the magnets. The two poles of magnets are south pole and north pole. The two ends of magnets are called as magnetic poles. Generally, the north pole is usually painted in red color and another pole of magnet will be act like a south pole. So let's see the manual. This is experiment number 8, magnetic lines of force. Let's see the physical significance of this experiment. Let's see the practical learning outcomes and magnets. Okay. The most important part of this experiment is properties of magnet. There are several properties and we have to verify this all property by using magnetic compass, magnet and plain paper. So for this experiment we need pen, then plotting compass. This is plotting compass. Let's see the plotting compass first. Can you see the arrow? There is one arrow in plotting compass, and let's see the magnet. This is magnet. So friends, when I am placing plotting compass near the magnet, what will happen in the plotting compass? Let's verify. When I am placing here, you have to see the arrow of plotting compass. When I am moving the plotting compass in this direction, then what will happen with the arrow? Let's see. If I am moving in this direction, look at the magnetic needle of compass. You can observe that the needle of magnetic compass is moving in circular direction, isn't it? Let's start with another point. Can you observe this? Yes. Okay. Let's do it in the another side. You can see like that. And if I am doing from another line, then you can easily observe this. Okay, just place it here. You can see the direction of magnetic needle is in this direction, and let's place this here. You can see the arrow of this magnetic needle is in this side. Therefore, the arrow is moving in this side, and here the arrow is moving in this side. Let's see with another diagram. So friends, I did the experiment. Just verify it. You have to place the magnet here. You have to place the magnet. You have to place the needle near to magnets, and you have to draw the dots by using pens, and just move it. Then you have to draw another dot. Move again. You have to plot this dot. You have to plot this dot. You have to plot this dot, and then in this direction. So this is first line. Look at the second line. You have to draw this dot. You have to draw this dot. You have to observe the needle is moving. You have to observe this dot. You have to observe it. You have to observe. And the same condition in this side. Okay, friends. Let's see here. The direction changes. Means it is towards the magnet. And it is away from the magnet. Therefore, this pole is north pole and this pole is south pole of magnet. This is south pole of magnet and this is north pole of magnet. So basically we are seeing 5 properties of magnet. We are seeing 5 properties of magnet. First property is, unlike poles, that is north and south, attract each other, but like poles repel each other. The second property, magnetic lines of force, magnetic lines of magnets never cross with each other. The third property, magnetic lines of force are always in continuous manner. The fifth property, magnetic directions, magnetic field direction is from north to south. And the last property is, closer line will have stronger force. These are the closer lines. Look at this. There is a closer line. Due to that you can find out the stronger force here, and another you can find out the stronger force here. So by using this practical setup, we have find the magnetic properties of magnets. Let's see in the manual. You can see the experimental setup. Let's see this diagram. All lines are moving from north pole to south pole. Let's see the precautions you have to follow during this experiment. Keep away other magnetic materials from the board. Interpretation of result is what? The 5 properties of magnetic field are interpretation of result. First one is north pole and south pole attract each other, but north and south repel each other. Second property is magnetic lines never cross each other. You know the third, fourth and fifth. Let's see the questions and answers. These are practical related questions, and let's see the answers. Let's see the answers. Thank you.